Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1991 Nissan Sentra SER. This casting is by Hotwheels Silver Series and last car from the Compact Kings set, number 5 out of 5. Looks like a nice old Japanese car, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 91 Nissan Sentra SER out of its box, and I must say it looks really good. I'm gonna start from the front. The front, you've got some nice details. You've got detailed headlamp, grille, Nissan badge, amber fog lamps, which look really good. Lower grille also detailed. You can see both the mirrors, windshield wipers. Looks nice. White paint, black contrasting hood. Again, looks good. So a lot of good details in the front. Now, let's move to the driver's side. So it's a two-door Sentra, which I don't think I've ever seen. Wheels, they look nice, finished in black. The 5-spoke ones look good. You also got turn indicators, front bumper, rear bumper. Very boxy silhouette, typical of 90s sedan. You got this body line going from front to back, which again looks good. Door handle, finished in black, nice. You can see the wheel arches slightly flared. Also got Hot Wheels written on this lower side here. It looks good. Looks like it has a body kit on it. Nice. You also got the fuel filler on the driver's side. Coming to the back, again some nice details there. You got a spoiler on the trunk, Nissan badge, nicely detailed tail lamp, Sentra badge, SER badge on the right side. Also got a single exhaust here in the bumper. Some nice details in the back. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, only difference no fuel filler cap here. And this is how it looks from the top, so no sunroof or moonroof. Interior is finished in black. You can see some details there. Now, interestingly, it has a metal base. If you see that small scratch there. So it has got metal base, not the plastic ones. So I'm assuming it's based off of a premium rather than based off of a main line. Yeah, I think that's why it has some heft to it, and that's why it has got some nice details too. And I think somebody might not agree, but I think this is the best looking car out of the 5 of the set, and it's not the most common either. So yeah, well, this was the 5th car. Let me bring all the 5 cars from the set before I close the video. So these are the 5 cars from the Hot Wheels Silver Series Compact King set, and I think this is the best looking one, as I said before. Well, it's overall it's a nice looking set, and I think you won't be disappointed. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.